Today I'm going to be installing a dust right 650 CFM filter with the bag on the bottom, and I want to put that on my Rikon 650. It's the 60-105 I believe, and I'm going to see what the differences are in the CFMs, but also I want to try to cut down on the dust. That thing creates a ton of dust whenever you kick that thing on it. Just a cloud of dust comes off of the bag. I know that's what it's supposed to do, like to actually create I think it's a 5 micron, but this is a 1 micron. So I'm hoping that this one will do a lot better job. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install this, and so let's get started. Okay, the first step is to take off the existing gasket that's on here. We're going to go ahead and put a brand new gasket on there and then put the clamp on that's actually going to mount to the canister. So I'm going to take that off. We'll come back. Okay, we're ready to put the tape on, and there are two size tapes. There's a 30mm and a 20mm. We're going to use this one for around the top of the canister. This is for where the filter bag goes, or the plastic bag. So. Okay, as you can see, we've got the bag on, and the bag retaining strap on there. It was pretty difficult to put the bag on, so my wife helped me slip it on. Started from the back and then pulled it on the front. I ended up rolling the bag up about quarter of the way up, so that it wouldn't hang on the ground, and it made it much harder to put on. So I ended up just letting it hit the ground, and obviously this is too low. I had this originally for just using it with the bag, so you are going to have to lift this up quite a bit. So let's see what we got. So right now, from the top of the motor to that deck right there is about 56 inches. So let me see what the number is to the plate holes. 54 inches. So you're going to need to probably put it to at least 60 inches to make it so that this does not hit the ground. So the bolt holes right back here, those are going to need to be about 60 inches tall. Let's go ahead and see what the CFMs are after we put the canister on. So. Okay, all the numbers are in now, and the first time around with the old bag, I got 57.5 miles per hour times the 7.68, which is a calculation I found on the internet for the 4-inch pipe. So that equates to 441.6 CFMs at 15 feet, and there are 4 blast gates on here with obviously 3 of them off. So that's how I got my first number. So after installing the canister in the bag, I ended up getting 66 miles per hour, which equates to 506 CFM. So I'm pretty happy. Actually, I'm very happy that I gained some CFM. So basically, measure this flange right here. If you've got a 5-inch, this is gonna fit on that. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe. And if you have any comments, please post those below, and I'll try to get back with you if you have questions about what I did. So anyway, thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.